Alright, we're going to perform a behind the neck press in the Smith machine. Now, couple things you want to look for. It's like, where do I grip and how do I set the brakes, the brackets and stuff? Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to set these up, because you don't never want to have a safety harness, because if you can't get it, you're going to be stuck. And I have these set right about behind. See, when I'm right here, they're set about ear level. So that's going to be a key right there. So where do I hold my grips? Now my grip I'm going to use is actually where, see how it's rough and smooth. I'm going to put my thumbs on the outside of the smooth and inside of the rough, because that's your most natural position. Imagine you're going to punch somebody, you're going to punch him in your natural position, not this wide thing. I mean, people say that brings in more shoulders, and yes, it does, but you want to build up your strength first. So that's where I'm going to hold it at. When I lift the weight, I'm going to exhale going up and inhale coming down. Always exhale on the exertion of the lift. So I'm going to get in position, and I'm using a high back. There's a low back some people use. They're like, oh, I'm going to focus on more building my lower back. But the whole concept of doing a shoulder press is building massive shoulders. So you want to take out as much emphasis in other muscle groups as possible. So I use a high back so I can focus specifically on my shoulders. And this is just a cushion, so it's not so rough on my back. Alright, so we know the rhythm. When I press this, you see how my wrist is right underneath the bar. I'm going to press it straight up. I'm not going to try to go like this, pressing it. I'm going to make sure I drive it upwards like this, bringing in as much shoulders as possible. So here we go. Got my grip. Go down, push it up. Alright. I stop here, right here, because some people want to go down all the way down, and it actually puts a lot of stress on the shoulder. Now you're actually stronger and you're going to build more muscle is if you actually stop at the ear level. Now think about people that are doing dumbbell shoulder presses. You're actually a lot stronger and you put more emphasis on the shoulders with the dumbbell military press. And that's actually the #1 mass builder for shoulders, because you actually stop at your ear level, because the big dumbbell stops at your shoulder. Now locking it out, you don't want to go all the way out, because you actually puts your shoulder out of alignment, and when you lock out, it puts all the emphasis on your elbow. So when you lock out, it takes the resistance off your shoulder and into your elbow. So this is the type of lockout I do. But right here, I never want to lock it out. So I get my rhythm right about there. That's a behind the neck press in the Smith machine.